To begin, unfortunately, coronavirus making its way back to the top of our show today. The increasingly rampant Delta variant doubling its spread here in Israel. So Prime Minister Naftali Bennett and the Health Ministry working feverishly to nip it in the bud before infection rates return to their worst. ILTV's Chana Rifkin with more.
An upcoming coronavirus cabinet meeting set for Thursday to discuss the return of previously lifted restrictions, and all in hopes of slowing the spread of the infamously infectious Delta variant. And this as active cases doubled over the past 2 weeks, including over 60,000 people currently in isolation. Possible restrictions also including limits on large gatherings, the reinstatement of the Green Pass system, and the requirement of even vaccinated parents with COVID-positive children to isolate until receiving a negative test. The current statistics putting the infection rate at 0.7%. And as of Monday morning, there are 343 new cases, bringing the active number of infections to 2,597, with 35 in serious condition, and the death toll now at 6,428. That said, there is reason to stay hopeful. Outgoing Health Ministry Director General Chazi Levy saying, quote, "We're not close to what we've seen in the past, and it's nothing like the caseload we've had earlier." Though experts at Hebrew University in Jerusalem claiming that if no further actions are taken to rein in the outbreak, Israel could once again see 1,000 new infections per day within the next 2 weeks. Bennett again pleading with citizens to cooperate and for parents of children 12 through 16 to continue getting vaccinated, especially as tens of thousands of vaccine doses near their expiration date.
שבוע שעבר אנחנו קראנו לנוער מגיל 12 ועד 16 להגיע להתחסן, ואני שמח לבשר שכבר 100,000 בני נוער בגילאים האלה התחסנו בזריקה הראשונה. הקצב היומי של בני הנוער זינק פי 6 תוך שבוע. רוצה להודות לשר הבריאות בעניין. אבל זה לא מספיק, זה לא מספיק. שעון החול הולך ואוזל. כל מי שעוד לא התחסן מתבקש לקבוע כבר היום תור. החיסונים עובדים. החיסון השני הוא קריטי. נגד הזן החדש, זן הדלתא, זה עובד.
Bennett also reportedly in constant contact with Pfizer CEO Albert Bourla about replenishing Israel's supply of vaccines and negotiating deals for vaccine exchanges between Israel and other countries. Likewise, the government mulling Moderna's vaccine to substitute Pfizer's second doses to those over the age of 18 until supplies are renewed. And while Health Ministry data revealing that though Pfizer's vaccine appears to be only 64% effective in containing the spread of the Delta variant, it still is over 90% effective in protecting against the majority of serious cases and hospitalizations of the Delta variant. Alternative studies in Israel also proving that the vaccine can be up to 80% effective against blocking the Delta variant all in all. This going to show that regardless of its effectiveness, getting vaccinated is still better than not. Chana Rifkin, ILTV.